How to find your Twitter username and password. So let's get started. Now to find out your username of Twitter, first of all open up Gmail. And on that Gmail, make sure that you're logged in with the same account that you have linked your Twitter account with. After that, make sure that you're logged in with the account that is linked with your Twitter account. Now from here, tap in the search bar and search for Twitter or X application. After that, you have to open up any email from Twitter. After you open it up, at the top, if you see there is my Twitter username as awin84430. So from here you can find out about your Twitter username. Now to learn or to find out your password, what you can do is open the home page of Gmail. From here, tap on this profile icon from the top right corner. A drop-down box will pop up. From there, tap on Google account. Now under this Google account, swipe this menu bar to your left and then tap on security. Now under security, if you scroll down a bit, there will have or you will find an option that says password manager. Tap on it. Now if you have saved your Twitter password in Google account, then you can view your password from here. Here scroll down a bit and then tap on this Twitter application. Now you have to enter your device screen lock. After you're done with that, to view the password, tap on this eye icon. After that, you can find out about your password and change it. So this is the way to find your Twitter username and password, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.